What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Shisha Addict here, and I'm back again with another reaction. Now today I'm going to be reacting to round 4 of the battle between Trueno and El Menor. Now so far, after the first 3 rounds, I gave the second and the third round to El Menor, simply because I think he did a lot better than Trueno. The first round is a tie in my opinion, so we're going to get into round 4. This is a round where Trueno has to win it, or else I mean, I know at the end of the day he ended up winning the battle, but so far it doesn't seem like he actually deserved it. But anyway, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Let's keep growing. I'm going to keep giving you more content. If you do have any songs, freestyles, or rap battles you want me to react to, just drop in the comment section down below, or you can send the link over to me on my Instagram as well. So without further ado, let's smoke this shisha and get to this video.
Hermano, quiero que esto se reviente, ¿ok? Que se caiga a pedazos el campo Nica. No, mentira, pero que se caiga, ¿ok? ¡Sacamos! ¡Arriba!
This DJ!
Tan lindo, no tan lindo, Chile.
¡A la cuenta de!
Ya.
What the fuck is the fucking subtitle? I got the wrong video. What the fuck is the video that they sent me? What the fuck? What the fuck? What is it? What is it? What is it? Fuck, what's the name of this guy that subtitled this video? Is it this guy? No, what is this guy? This guy? Yes. There we go.
¿Ok? Que se caiga a pedazos el campo Nica. No, mentira, pero...
Let's go. That's where I stopped it. Fucking my shisha! Come here.
Que se caiga, ¿ok? ¡Sacamos! ¡Arriba!
Tan lindo, no tan lindo, Chile.
¡Cuenta de!
Ya. Este rapero está ido. Motherfucker, perdiste el partido. Yo lo tengo por mi latido. Papi, vos estás demasiado confundido. No vas a poder conmigo porque solo te derribo cuando tiro tiros. Sé que yo siempre te lo describo. Yo escribo temas como atrevido. No escribí temas, vos te la escribí conmigo. Es corta la...
Oh, the flow, man, the flow. The flow is fucking dope, man. He made a reference to one of his songs after the video. I think I reacted to that song as well. Okay, he's just killing me with the flow. It's just the flow right now.
Como atrevido, vos no escribiste más, vos te la escribí conmigo. Es corta la bocha, guachín, yo te mando con el flow porque me subo de team. Yo, manín, soy como él, como Dean. Papi, yo te saco como Dean. Este rapero desea mi derrota. Dice que Trueno, ni no la cota. Que la gente de Chile quiere ver mi carrera rota, pero pongo solo y lo gano con mi pelota. ¿Te gusta o no?
Oh, the people in Chile want to see my career broken. But I came along with what? With my balls. Talk your shit, my nigga. Talk your shit. Damn. Nah, it's the flow, man. It's the fucking flow, man. No one can do it like Trueno. Just no one. No one.
Chile quiere ver mi carrera rota, pero pongo solo y lo gano con mi pelota. ¿Te gusta o no, papá? Papi, mejor van a andar para hacer gimnasia, porque solamente me parece que mi voz es mucho más allá de otra galaxia. Este se cree rapero chileno, apláudanle y díganle gracias. Rapper de Chile no somos rapero de Chile, es un tiro de gracia.
What the fuck is that? Trio de Gracia, Shot of Grace, Tiro de Gracia, Chilean hip hop band. Oh, he's believed to be a Chilean rapper. Smash him and say thank you. Rapper of Chile is not Chilean rapper. Is oh, that was his first punch. Okay.
Rapper de Chile no somos rapero de Chile, es un tiro de gracia. Fuck them, nigga. La casa casi pues la respiro. Gloria, yo sí estoy decidido. Flow real, manigo. Llega el tiro de gracia para ganar este partido. Al menosito le di un tiro en la cabeza. Gracias por venir a competir conmigo. Queda dice cuan.
Fuck's sake, man. Nearly spilled my drink, you know. Fucking hell. I don't like this new setup, man. This shisha needs to... Because I want you guys to see what I'm smoking in it. That's my shisha right there. See, as you can tell. So, the shot of grace to win this game is coming. El Menor was shot in the head. Thank you for coming to compete with me. That was fucking dope, man. That was fucking dope.
Gracias por venir a competir conmigo.
Última.
Una más me queda, dice Juan. Si se van. Chiquitita que por mi negro yo sí tengo un plan. Estos raperos ya no van, compañero. Vos te me quedas en cero. Este rapper no es rapero. ¿Sí? Y la batalla no es certero. Me divertía más con Cachú contra el misionero.
Yeah! If I was rating this based on flow, that's 10 out of 10. That's 10 out of 10. You can't. There's no one can do better. Can do a better flow than that. And he gave you a couple of punches as well, which is okay. I'm okay with that. I mean, I know TRUENO is more famous for his flow than for his punchlines. But him giving me punchlines as well, because it's a rap battle, so I like that. Let's go. See, this rapper is not a rapper. In the battle, you're not accurate. I would have more fun with Caillou, the fucking Chilean host, and versus Misionero, the Argentinian host.
No es certero, me divertía más con Cachú contra el misionero.
Aplauso. ¿Está listo, menor? Atenea. Todo el mundo. ¿Qué onda? Arriba, gente, arriba. Arriba.
Let's go. Drop that beat, please, DJ.
Ok. A la cuenta de...
Ay, ninguna de las cosas que me dice este niñito tiene sentido. Si yo me pongo a sacar tu flow, me sale mucho mejor y fluido. Yo soy la revelación en Chile y por ello soy querido. Aquí en Argentina.
Oh my god, no. Fucking hell, man. Fucking hell. This round might be the best round I've ever seen in terms of flow. Because El Menor came with his flow. I like the way he was stretching his end ramps. That was fucking dope. The fucking cadence. Let's write all that. Let's go.
Ay, ninguna de las cosas que me dice este niñito tiene sentido. Si yo me pongo a sacar tu flow, me sale mucho mejor y fluido. Yo soy la revelación en Chile y por ello soy querido. Aquí en Argentina no te quiere nadie, porque en realidad nadie se siente representado contigo. Que recién empecé, ves que...
No. This is coming. Oh, this is the one. Fucking hell. No. Fuck. No. This I have bad memories of this. I have really bad memories of this. Fucking hell. I remember this when I reacted to the best of Americano. Here he used the word E 69 fucking times. Fuck. I bat myself. And I know I'm not dreaming. Fucking hell, man. Oh. Fuck.
Siente representado contigo, que recién empecé, ves que este desciende del riel, ríe el que pierde, este es el que te desaparece, que bien, le pegué que en el empeine, en el PSG tendré RPG, te penetré 100 veces, nene, béseme el pie, piensa de todas las rimas.
Even TRUENO was acknowledging that. He was like, fucking hell, this boy got talent. And he's actually ended up with a fucking punchline. I hit it so well that in the PSG with my instep, I would have RPG. I penetrated you 100 times. Kid, kiss my foot. Damn. Makes the incredible metric and structure. It's 70 times, not even 69 times. When I reacted to it, they said 69 times. Fucking hell, 70 times. No one has ever done that before. No one.
300 veces, nene, béseme el pie. Piensa de todas las rimas, mientras me salen fluidas. 100 veces consecutivas, pierdes batallas en ligas. Sientes que no vas para arriba, porque a tu nadie lo incentiva. Tienes mucho flow, pero en realidad yo tengo hip hop y eso no se compra ni se alquila. Yo tengo rap real, tú no eres bueno y a mí nunca te podrás comparar, porque tú eres el que revoluciona el marketing mientras yo revoluciono la humanidad. Yo soy conocido por tener
Oh, you revolutionize marketing, I revolutionize humanity. Talk your shit, my nigga. I've got real rap, you're not good enough. And you can never compare with me because you are the one who revolutionized marketing, I revolutionize human. But TRUENO does not encourage anyone. You have a lot of flow. But actually I have hip hop and that is not bought or rented. Let's go, talk your shit.
Revoluciona el marketing mientras yo revoluciono la humanidad. Yo soy conocido por tener intelecto y vos solamente por un familiar. Es como comparar a Greta Thunberg poniéndola al frente del monito Vidal. Ay, no hay comparación con este weón que no es tan cabrón. Yo tengo métrica, tú tienes flow. Yo tengo respuesta, tú tienes flow. Yo tengo calle, él tiene flow. Yo tengo punch, él tiene flow. No decir que tiene flow, entienda que entre él y yo no va a haber punto de comparación.
Man, you can just tell I got a lot of energy for this round, man. This round is fucking dope, man. It's fine. I could rewatch this round 100 times and not get bored. Fuck, you know, just by saying that he has flow, they understand that between him and me, there's no point of comparison. Talk your shit, my nigga. Let's go.
Comparación.
Fuerte esa bulla, Chile. Fuerte esa bulla, Chile. Chile. Atenea. ¡Ay! Arriba igual, ¿yeah? A la cuenta de...
Hey.
Tiempo.
Dijiste que me las escribí contigo dentro del ritmo. Y tú escribes temas, dices que son lindos. En serio, es un rapper poco digno. ¿Crees que tus temas son dignos de venir a presumirlos? Son una mierda, nadie los respalda. No los descarga, ni mucho menos los guarda. Él tiene un tema y se llama La...
How did TRUENO win this battle? Can someone just tell me, how did he win this battle? Seriously, an undignified rapper, do you think your themes are worthy coming to show them off? They're shit, no one backs them up, they do not download them, much less save them. Fucking hell.
Espalda, no los descarga ni mucho menos los guarda. Él tiene un tema y se llama La Salamandra. Con ese nombre tan tonto ni ganas dan de escucharla. Por favor, soy mucho más sabio y tú de mi rap estás muy precario. Él es de La Boca y dice que pone sus pelotas. Yo bateo y la pelota te la saco del estadio. Te la bateo y esta...
Oh, he's from La Boca, a neighborhood in the capital of Argentina. He says he puts his balls in and I bat and the ball, I take it out of the stadium. A fucking baseball reference right there. You know, when you bat, it could also be a cricket reference as well. You know, you hit the ball out of the stadium. Like, it's impossible to do that, but El Menor said he's gonna do that with TRUENO's balls. Boy.
Yo bateo y la pelota te la saco del estadio. Te la bateo y te la pego de chilena, porque esa es mi esencia, la callejera. Dice que tiene calle esta puta nena, es de La Boca, pero solo es de La Boca para afuera. Para afuera se va. En serio, ¿quieres más? Puedo seguir y tratarte con más crueldad. No debería volver a inscribirte jamás en ninguna competición, porque yo soy más cabrón. Este año en la FMS yo voy a salir campeón. Me tuvieron que sacar a uno para que volviera este competidor, porque no sabían qué más hacer para tratar de sacarlo campeón. Y estaba descendido y ganó.
Oh my god, because I'm better this year at FMS, I will be champion. They had to take someone out to get this competitor back. Because they didn't know what else to do to try to get him out as a champion.
Porque no sabían qué más hacer para tratar de sacarlo campeón. Y estaba descendido y ganó igual. En serio, qué mal, solo por tener fan. Otro más con seguidores de Afganistán. Dale, postea en Instagram.
I remember this. All these followers from Afghanistan, basically, that, you know, some bunch of robots and fucking hell, man. Oh my, that round was dope, man. That whole round was dope from El Menor. Let's see what TRUENO's got.
You know.
Si quieren que TRUENO responda con todo,
a la gente chino, ¿qué carajo pasa, concha tu
todas
madre?
esas manos arriba, todas esas manos arriba, todas esas
La
manos
Argentina está en la
arriba.
casa y La Boca siempre está en la casa. En mi sangre, perro, corta la bocha.
cuenta,
Dale, vos te me haces el cacho, guachín, si sos un blando. Y habla del país donde viene Diego Armando. Si él en la boca estaría caminando. Hace 2 cuadras y grita, me están cogoteando. ¿De qué mierda?
Oh, you talk about the country where Diego Armando Maradona comes from? Yes, he's in La Boca. Would be walking. He sure walks 2 streets and yells, "I'm being robbed." So El Menor is robbing him. Fucking hell. Damn.
Hace 2 cuadras y grita, me están cogoteando. ¿De qué mierda estás hablando? Si yo vine acá, pero con contrabando. Hablar de mi familia no es para tanto. Mi papá me dio la vida y se la devuelve rapeando. Eso es lo que vas a ver. Habla de mañana, habla del ayer. Si querés hablé de que gané y que fui a descender. Pero mi familia me ama, nunca lo vas a entender.
¿cómo?
¡Ey, tenés un problema! Habla de cosas que no son buenas. Sáqueme a este y tráiganmelo al teorema. Yo tengo el micrófono enganchado con la vena. ¡Ey! ¿Qué me decís? Decís que tengo flow como un MC. Tengo flow, tengo rap, tengo flow como decís. Y también las pelotas de venir a tu país. ¿La entienden? En 2 semanas. Este bobito se cree que me gana. Pobrecito el menor, presumo de mi tema y él presume de la calle. ¿Quién es peor?
Damn, that's the end of the sangre. Damn, Blood Minutes. This is easily the best Blood Minutes I've ever. Just because of the flows, not because of the punchlines or anything, but the flow. They both killed it, man. They both killed it. And at this point, like it's hard not to give it to El Menor just because of what he did with the letter E. That was that's the highlight of this round. But TRUENO did his thing. He did his thing. I'm starting to see that this is actually a Tongo as well. This has to be a Tongo, man. I mean, because. But at the same time, it's not because he actually absolutely destroyed TRUENO. Because TRUENO, like he surprised me in this battle. Like, you know, he's coming with the punchlines as well. The flow was just flawless, and he did well, man. I can't really. But he's a Tongo. At the end of the day, El Menor deserved to win this battle. It's as simple as that. But at the same time, you can't say it's not like there's any of those battles where it's like it's a whitewash, because I was expecting it to be a whitewash, because what does TRUENO? I don't know what else TRUENO can do apart from flows. But obviously he proved me wrong. Can actually throw punches as well. So anyway, I'm gonna move on to the final. I think the next round is the final one, which is the deluxe, the 4x4 and the acapella. Yeah. So. Anyway, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. I will see you guys. Peace.